Yes guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see guys, I'm wearing the apron, so I'm about to go to the kitchen and do the things guys. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell if you haven't, so that every time I post you'll be notified. You don't want to miss anything from your kitchen lover. Yeah guys, so yeah, today I thought of teaching you guys how to make a simple plain bun recipe, or plain bun, yeah, so that you avoid buying too much bread from the shops. Yeah, so yeah guys, let's get to it. Don't forget to like this video and share. Yeah, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that your hands are clean. Yeah guys, because you're going to be using your hands a lot. Yeah, yes, so let's get to it. This is 2 cups of flour. I'm using cake flour guys. You can use all-purpose flour or plain or bread flour. Yeah, so I have 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can still use white. And then I have a pinch of salt, and then 10 grams of yeast. Yeah, we're going to throw it in there. 10 grams of yeast. Ooh, that's a lot. That's about a tablespoon, yeah, of yeast. And then we're going to give this a good stir like that. And then now I'm going to take my oil. I'm using canola oil, yeah, and then about a tablespoon, and another one, and another one. Yep, I put in 3 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. Yep. So the next thing you're going to do is to take warm water, and then I'm going to pour and make a dough. Yeah guys, you just need a cup of water. All right, a cup of water. Make sure it's not too watery, because you need to make a dough out of this mixture. See? And then this is the part where I will take my clean hands and start kneading the dough and make a nice round dough. Yes, remember to use warm milk so that your dough rises quicker. All right, you can see our dough is almost ready. So what I'm going to do now is to take a little bit of oil and just put it in here, and this is what I'll be doing now. All right, make sure you do this. All right, yes guys, don't forget to like this video, to share, and subscribe for more content. Yeah, this is so easy to make guys. You don't even need milk. See? So make sure you knead it into a nicely soft round dough. All right, this is what you have to have. See, now I have my very nice little dough. See, and then when you have this, you're going to drop it inside. And okay, I'm wiping my hands guys so that the oil is off. Yeah, and then I'm going to take the plastic wrap and cover this and allow it to double in size. All right. Yeah. Yes guys, see, it has doubled in size. Yay. So we're going to uncover this. All right, and take our oil and oil our pan. I just don't want to put a lot. Yeah, this should do. And then I'm going to oil our tray, our baking tray. Yeah, so this is what you have now. And then after you're done, now I'm going to take my clean hands, all right, and deflate this. See, it's back to its normal size. See, yeah guys, this is what you have now. So I'm going to divide this into 4. See, that's 1, and then again here, all right, 4. All right, make sure that they're equal. So what I'm going to do is to just roll them like this, and then place the first one here, and then the second one here, and then I'm going to place, oh, this one is a bit bigger, so let me do this. All right, so this is what you have. I'm going to place it here, and then I'll take this again and put it here, and then I'll take the last one and place it here like this. Okay, so now that you have this, I'm going to cover this again. Let me use this again. I'm going to cover this again and allow it to rise. Yeah, this one doesn't have to be double in size. You just need it to rise so that it forms a certain shape before we put it into the oven. Yeah guys, lovers, yes, this is about to go into the oven at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes until it's golden brown on top. So yeah. So our buns are done, but for a final touch, I'm going to take a little bit of water. This is water, and then I'm going to take my brown sugar again and just throw it inside here and make a sugar bath. Yeah, this is going to dissolve, and then after that I'm going to just brush the buns with the sugar bath. All right. All right. So I'm just going to be using my clean hands again. All right, so you just take the water and brush on top. See, I'm sure you see the difference. You see when you do this, you see the difference. So let me finish up all of them and then we'll close the video. Yes guys, I'm about to devour. This is my juice that I made and I just wanted it to look pretty. And this is the bun. I just took it out from there. See that? Nicely soft buns. The good thing about you guys making this at home is that you can add in as much sugar as you like. So that's the good part about baking bread for yourself or making buns for yourself, because you can just, you know, determine how much sugar you'd like to have. So yeah, it's a good thing guys. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Bye bye.